Let's learn how to use split screen mode. In this split screen mode, we can use two applications on same time. Now I will show you how to do this. Now I open some applications. After, click on your mobile recent key. Select your application you want to use as split screen view. Click on this top ball icon on your application and click on this open in split screen view option. Okay, now you can select your another application in here. Now I open Play Store. Now I can use two applications on same screen. You can try this feature. If you want to change the application position, you can click on these arrow icons and you can adjust the sizes as you like. Lot of features have on this split screen mode. I think this is very good feature to you. You can try it. Now I will tell you the second method to enable this split screen mode. Go to your mobile settings, scroll down this page and go to advanced features option. In here, click on multi-window option. You can see here swap for split screen option. You can enable it. You can see a preview. We can swap up with two fingers from the bottom of the screen. After we can enable this split screen mode. Now I try this. In this method you can enable split screen mode easily. This is the second method.